Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this black office chair for prevention purposes, and I think that it's great because it comes with the instruction manual, everything that you need to assemble it, all the screws and everything. As you can see, the steps seems really easy and quite quick to assemble up, which I think that it's nice. It also comes with any kind of tools that you're gonna need, and all the pieces comes really well protected, albeit with bubble wrap like this. Plastic like this, or in the case like of the backrest and everything with these kinds of bags, which I think that it's really nice. And as I've said, it seems like a simple installation, so let me take everything out of the box, start assembling it, and let's test it out. Come on. The proper assembly process is actually really simple, and it doesn't take that much long, which I think that it's great. You can do it all by yourself, and as I've said, it comes included all the screws and all the tools that you are going to need to assemble it up, which I think that it's really useful. And something that I think that it's nice about this chair is that it can withhold a lot of weight with its heavy duty. It has a really spacious seat made with a high density foam, which I think that is nice. It's also really breathable, and under it you get the controls to tighten or adjust the angle that it can recline. You can also have an option to lock it so it doesn't recline. You can move the height of the chair, and in the side you get the adjustable lumbar support. You can adjust it from the back and forward, and also vertically, so depending of the situation, if you need somehow specifically, you can adjust it, which I think that it's nice. And that you can also use it on different situations like gaming, reading, as it's actually really comfortable. Okay, and once that it's ready, you can just place it upon your desk or your workzone, and it will be really nice. So I've said it has different adjustments that you can make to make it really more comfortable or perfect for your necessities, which I think that is nice. And overall, I think that it's really nice. It's actually quite comfortable, and I think it's great that you can decide if you wanna recline. As you can see right now, I can't, but if I pull this, I can be able to recline all the way down. Okay, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, as you can see, it was a really simple and quick assembly that didn't take that much long, which I think that it's great, and I will actually really recommend it. See you guys.